In this section of the course, we're going to talk about how to present a powerful brand online and how to find or create great content to share. So that in the following section of the course, we can then go through and take the content that we're going to create here and find here and actually start posting on the various social media networks so that you can see everything happening in action. But I want to say at this point that it may or may not be your job to look after a client's branding. It probably won't be, to be honest, because most businesses will have an established brand presence. But with the content that you're going to learn in this section of the course, it will make you an expert so that even if your clients maybe already have something in place, you're going to be able to look at it holistically and maybe make some expert suggestions that may potentially end up creating more work for you and obviously more revenue for your business, because you're going to be able to say, hey, I've noticed on your social media that, you're using a whole lot of fonts and a whole lot of colors and nothing looks the same. Obviously not in those exact words, but then you're able to sort of make those suggestions and say, why don't we create a branding style guide so that we can make sure everything looks nice and cohesive and consistent. So when your audience sees posts from you, they'll know they're from you because they're going to have the same sort of look and feel and vibe and style. And that's going to really help you to build engagement on social media. Honestly, when I was first starting out, if somebody had said that to me, obviously in very kind words, in constructive words, I would have probably cried of happiness, because even though I was definitely doing stuff on social media, it just wasn't quite working. Plus, of course, you can use the tips here to build your own powerful personal brand. So hopefully you find it all helpful, and we're going to get into everything starting with the next lesson where we're going to talk about what actually makes a powerful brand. So I'll see you there.